So dishwashers clean dishes, but what cleans dishwashers? Affresh is a great product that you're going to want to use for monthly maintenance on your dishwasher. It is a tablet that comes individually wrapped that you're going to take out, put inside your dishwasher. You could run it with dishes or without dishes. I prefer to do it without dishes. And what the Affresh tablet is going to do is going to break down all the minerals that have collected over time inside your dishwasher to make sure that everything is running tip top. Now, it is septic safe, real easy to use. It just says to run it through a normal wash. I like to do it with the hot wash, so that way it really elevates the product itself when it is breaking down the dirt and grime inside your dishwasher. So here is the package. On the side, you even have a little check mark to let you know which months you did do maintenance on it. All you then have to do after using it, put it underneath your sink, set it away. Just remember to do it monthly, and that's going to help maintain your dishwasher. So I'm going to show you what the dishwasher looks like prior to putting this tablet in. I'm going to run it through a cycle and then show you it afterwards. Here's what my dishwasher looks like prior to putting this tablet in. You can see all that dirt and grime down there. Again, it's going to be right here. Tablet inside the detergent. Close it up. Oh, hit the start button. And now we wait. All right, now that it's done with its cycle, let's check out to see what this Affresh dishwasher cleaner product did. All right, I'm pretty impressed with what happened. All the chrome is shiny. The trap itself just had some of that dirt and grease left on it, so I'm gonna have to just take the trap out, wash it separately, but that's not a big deal. Remove a little pieces of food that were still on the bottom of the dishwasher that didn't go down the drain. And then I'm gonna wanna wipe around the seals of the door to make sure everything is in tip-top shape. And of course, there is no food stuck on the corners and any mold is growing. But overall, Affresh dishwasher cleaner, definitely recommend this product for anybody that wants to make sure that their dishwasher is working in tip-top shape. Remember, you're gonna wanna do this at least once a month and keep up on it. So that way, again, your dishwasher is washing all your dishes properly. So if you're in the market for a dishwasher cleaner, go out and get this Affresh today. You're not going to be disappointed. I know I'm not. I'll show you the end result now. Good luck with your purchase and have a great day.